There are a lot of fun techniques you can do when flying. One of my favorites is called the Dronie. It's where you start close up on a subject and then fly up and back until the entire location the subject is at is revealed. This technique can be great for all sorts of different shots, including real estate, filmmaking projects, or travel content. In this video, I'll show you how to film and edit the Dronie in the DJI Fly app to help it stand out even more. This shot is great if you want to reveal a beautiful location and also give it some perspective at the same time. To achieve this technique, position yourself or your subject in an area where there is nothing blocking your view. Since the drone is going to be flying straight backward, we don't want it to hit anything, of course. Once you're set, hover the drone around eye level and push your right stick down and your left stick slowly up. This will simultaneously move the drone backward and up. Another trick is to slowly push the gimbal dial, which is usually located on the backside of the controller, to the left. This will help you keep the subject in frame the entire time as you ascend upwards. You can fly back for as long as you want or until you capture the entire surrounding area. Now in the editing stage, a little trick with these is to speed the middle part up so you can get to the big reveal shot faster if that fits your edit. Inside the DJI Fly app, click on Create in the bottom left. Click New Project and select your Dronie clip. Now let's choose our starting point. Scroll along the video on the bottom until you see where you want to start. Once you tap on the video, it will turn white. Next, select Cut or the scissors icon. This will split the video into two parts. Since we don't need that first part, you can select that and delete it. From here, I like to have the clip play for a few seconds before I speed it up. Once you find a point you want to speed up, click the Cut button again. And since we only want to speed up the middle section, scroll all the way to the end and leave a few seconds to let the video play out in normal speed again. Then click Cut. Now you'll see we have three sections split up: the beginning, the middle, and end. Select the middle part and click the speed icon on the bottom. Under constant speed, you can see that by pushing the line to the right, the clip will become faster. I like mine to be around 4 to 5x speed. Once you've changed the speed, click the check mark in the bottom right. Now you can play back your video and see the effect in action. After you're done, click Export in the top right. I recommend exporting in 1080p for the highest resolution. The video should automatically save to your phone, and you can choose to share it directly to social media if you want. And there you go. You just learned how to film a Dronie shot and edit it on your phone. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future videos. And let us know in the comments below if you ever tried out the Dronie technique and where. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.